day 6 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Thank you for joining me. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I'm so excited to see what the next item is because I have no idea. None. There were a few guesses. Some people said chocolates. Some people thought that it was also a tin, maybe. Somebody said it's absolutely not a tin. So we'll see. I have it right here. I did finish up the quilt top from, 2 days ago. I think the project came, and I have it here. I will show that to you in a few minutes, but let's first open this item. Okay, I am so curious about this. Let's open it up. Okay, it's really wrapped. Okay. Oh, wow, look at this. Okay, I'm not quite sure. I think it's a rack for your rulers. It has beautiful design on the other side. It has these pegs. Hang on, let me pull those out. Okay, I'm assuming they go, maybe for spools. Oh, let's see if I can get these in. There we go. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is really neat. This is a really cute little item. You could keep it at your sewing station, have your rulers in it, have your spools of thread. I would love this for hand sewing at my chair in the evenings. Oh my goodness, I love this. My husband makes some of these, the ruler racks, but I've never seen one quite like this. This is really cute. I like that it has the beautiful designs on the back too. Now, it doesn't have a finish on it, so I'm wondering if you could use it as a clapper too. Anyway, I love it. That's a really nice item. No clue what to value this at, but it's a really great item. Okay, I'm gonna definitely set this up. I'll put a picture right here of it set up so you can see it's really, really pretty. I love it. Okay, that's fun. So many unexpected things this year that I'm loving, so that's just a ton of fun. Let's look at the quilt that I made. I do have the quilt top done. I'm not sure if I'm going to add borders. I might make it bigger. I even thought about making it smaller, taking the borders off and maybe playing with it. Here's just the center, which would make a really cute table topper. I love that. It would also make a really cute table runner if you take just the houses and put them up the sides. I love that too. There's so many possibilities with this pattern. It's a really great pattern, and you don't need to have the panel. You can just put, little motifs or whatever in the door or nothing at all. That would work too. This was a lot of fun. Couple tips on it. Take your time, use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and make sure you're using a really good 1/4 inch seam allowance. There's a lot of seams that need to line up here, and that could get really frustrating. The inner borders, make sure you measure them out and cut them. Don't just sew them on and cut it off, because you really want that center to be square, and that's gonna help keep it square. What else did I find? Oh, also, I'm terrible at flying geese, confession time. I don't like doing them the traditional way, so I use the block lock rulers. They have a ridge on them, and I make my flying geese oversized and cut them down. So I went through the entire pattern and found out where I needed to put flying geese, like the roof units and the center units, and just cut them bigger and cut them down. That's the way I do it. I don't like doing it the way they say. I can never get them to come out right. It's just very frustrating for me. I love it. I love how it turned out. It's so pretty. And today I finished up the quilt top. It's very snowy here today. It's also very windy. It was 30-mile-an-hour winds or something like that. So it's been a great day to stay in and sew and get this finished up. Just not sure how I'm finishing it. I might just quilt it. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but let's guess tomorrow's. This is your warning. I'm gonna hold it up in a minute. Warning, 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 warning. All right, here it is. All right, when I pulled this out of the box, I kind of knew what it was. I think I know what it is, so I might be wrong, but I think it's a charm pack. It feels like a charm pack. It's the size of a charm pack. It's squishy like a charm pack. I'm thinking it's a charm pack. I can't wait to see what charm pack. That might mean the next day there's a project. That would be fun too. All right, let's talk about valuation And I need to grab my slip, my cheat sheet. One moment. All right, I'm back. I have my sheet here. So we got the quilt hangers, which are awesome, and I really have had my eye on them for a long time, so I'm glad I got a set. I can't wait to use those too. I'm not sure when I'll get them up, but I hope to soon. These were easy to come up with a value for because they're pretty much everywhere. There's homemade ones on Etsy that are a little bit more, and you can pick your wood and all that, but they also have them on Amazon. The set that I found on Amazon comes in a set of 4, and it was $29. Because of that, I'm gonna value this set of 2 at $14.50. And I think that's a fair price. That brings our grand total of value for the first 5 days to $84.50, leaving $106.25 of what we paid for it. I'm sure we'll get there. I would imagine this is at least $20, if not more, right? It's just racking up really fast, and we're getting some wonderful items. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 7, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you real soon. Bye.